Hello parents and viewers, welcome to my channel A Preschooler. I am Meeta, an educator and a trainer. Today I am going to show you 3 different methods through which you can easily teach your child 3-letter words. Now let me explain you what is the need of 3 different methods for teaching one concept. All the children are different, so as their capability and their need. Imagine a situation if your child needs water to pacify his thirst and you are offering him some solid food. Is it going to meet the need of your child? No, right? Though water and food are quite similar but not the same. So here the child's need is different and the offered help is different. So always you should remember, whenever we are offering any kind of help, our help should meet the need of the child. Then only you can witness the desired growth in your child. So please watch this video till the end to know what are the 3 different methods we can use for introducing 3-letter words to the child. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more learning like this. If your child is a first learner and is able to recognize all the sounds of any word easily, then you can introduce this first method to your child. Show one picture to your child and say to your child, this is a picture of a tap. When I say tap, which sound do you hear first? When the child will say T, you'll ask the child to write T here, like this. After the child will write the first sound, then we'll say to the child, after T, which sound is coming in tap? When the child will recognize its A sound, we'll ask the child to write A here. After the child will find out the middle sound, then we'll say to the child, after A, which sound is coming in tap? When the child will recognize its P, we'll ask the child to write P here. Like this. Then we'll say to the child, in tap, after P, do we hear any other sound? No. After P, there is no sound in tap. So, the sound we hear in tap is T, A, P, tap. Like this, we'll go to the next picture and we'll say this is the picture of a bag. So, we have to hear all the sound of bag and we have to write it here. What is the first sound do you hear in bag? It's B. Let's write B here. After B, which sound is there in bag? After B, A sound is coming in bag. So let's write A here. After A, which sound do you hear in bag? It's G sound. So let's write G here. After G, which sound do you hear in bag? There is no more sound in bag after G. So you wrote all the sounds in bag. Bag, bag. Like this, the child has to listen all the sounds of a particular word and the child has to write it down. This is our next activity for the first method. Here we have one more materials. We'll ask the child to segregate the cards according to its color. Then we'll say to the child to turn the cards and see the picture. We can ask the child to identify this picture by rearranging it. After this, the child has to listen all the sound of this word and he has to write it. Dog, dog. In this way, we'll help the child to associate with all the sounds of a particular word and read it quite a couple of times and he has to write it. Bus, bus. Sun. If your child is able to recognize the first sound of any 3-letter word, but the child is facing difficulties in recognizing the middle and the last sound, then you can use the second method to help your child. In this method, we are focusing on the middle and the last sound. Here I have 2-letter words and here is the consonant strips. So I'll take one word from here. I'll say to the child, see, this is an. The child has to read this two letter quite couple of times. Then I'll ask to the child, let's make few more words with this same an sound like this. Can, can. Fan, fan. Man, man. Ran, ran. Ban, ban. Pan, pan. The child has to keep this an sound next to each consonant and the child has to read that word. After the child is able to read an words, then we'll introduce at words and we'll read in the same manner. Cat, cat. Fat, fat. Mat, mat. Rat, rat. Bat, bat. Pat, pat. Like this, we'll make few consonant strips and few cards for two letters words. And we'll help the child to read three letter words easily. B, ought, but. K, ought, cut. G, ought, gut. H, ought, hut. L, ip, lip. D, ip, deep. R, ip, rip. H, ip, heap. N, ip, nip. P, ip, peep. T, n, ten. M, n, man. P, n, pen. H, n, hen. D, n, den. L, ought, lot. D, ought, dot. R, ought, rot. Ought, hot. N, ought, not. P, ought, pot. So now let's check the third method. If your child is able to recognize the first and the last sound both of any word, but the child is facing difficulties to recognize the middle sound of any three-letter word, then we can use this method to help the child to recognize the middle sound. In this method, we are focusing on the middle sound of any three-letter word. In this method, we are using this alphabet board and few pictures card. I'll arrange all these picture card in a line and I'll say to the child, today we are going to learn a sound word. And I'll keep a sound like this. As the child is able to recognize the first and last sound, I'll ask the child to keep the first and last sound here. The child has to keep the first sound before the picture and the child has to keep the last sound after the picture. After the child will arrange the first and last sound for fan, I'll say to the child, let's read this word. Fan, fan. This is the picture of fan and this is how we are writing fan. Fan, fan. Again I'll move to one more picture and I'll say to the child to arrange the first and last sound of this picture, cap. So the child has to keep k here and p here. When the child will arrange cap like this, I'll say to the child, k-ap, cap, k-ap, cap. So let's keep this picture like this. This is the picture of a cap and here we have written cap. Like this, I'll move to the next picture which is bag and I'll say to the child to arrange the first and the last sound for bag. After the child will arrange the first and last sound for bag, I'll ask the child to read like this. B-ag, bag. B-ag, bag. Then I'll say to the child, this is the picture of a bag and this is how we're writing bag. Like this, through this method, we'll help the child to associate with the middle sound of any three-letter word. So this is all for today's activity. Hope you like all these methods and through all this method you can help your child in the right way. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and keep watching me for more videos like this.